like a wind through my dreams. She rides the night next to me. She leads me through moonlight, only to burn me with sun. She's taken my heart, but she doesn't know what she's done. Feel her breath in my face, her body close to me. Can't look in her eyes, she's out of my league. Just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like a wind. I look in the mirror and all I see is a young old man with only a dream. Am I just fooling myself? Then she'll stop the pain. Living without her, I'd go insane. Breath on my face, her body close to me. Can't look in her eyes, she's out of my league. Just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like the wind. Feel your breath on my face, your body close to me. Can't look in your eyes, you're out of my league. Just a fool to believe she's like the wind. Just a fool to believe. Just a fool to believe she's like the wind. Just a fool to believe she's like the wind. She's like the wind.
Well done, buddy. Kelly, what did you think of Marcel's performance?
Do you know, that's one of my favourite films, Dirty Dancing. I love a bit of Dirty
Mine too.
Dancing. Do you know what? You can tell that you're really heavily influenced by, like, you know, the golden oldies. And I think that comes through when you're singing the songs, because you can tell that you've got a lot of passion for those types of songs. I would be really interested to see how you interpret like something more modern as well. I'd like to see how you put your own take on like a modern song. How you take your influences from, like, you know, the 80s back and put that into today. I would really like to see you do something like that. So, but well done, I really enjoyed it, well done.
Zoe?
I just want to start by saying I love your confidence. Like, you were always up there, you were always ready, you're ready to go. Because obviously confidence is key. Your mic control needs a bit of work, like pulling back on the beltier notes and then bringing it back here on the quieter notes. But obviously that comes with time and like when you put in work over the next few weeks or whatever. And this next thing I'm about to say goes for all of you. Mine. Song choice is so important, and I feel like the song didn't do justice for your potential. Like, it wasn't a bad performance, it was spot on, I loved it, I thoroughly enjoyed it, because like Hal said, Dirty Dancing is also one of my favourite films. But yeah, just be more mindful about the songs you're picking, and again, like Hal said, I'd love to hear how you put like your twist on a more modern song and stuff. But yeah, it was a good performance, well done.
Trav?
Right, man, first of all, I liked you the moment you stepped up there, man. Honestly, you ooze confidence. Everything a performer needs, whether, you know, it's fake confidence or not, whatever it is, you gotta have it. And it oozes from you. It's so great to see. It makes you, I wanted to hear you, like, talk about your life and speak, tell me your favourite colour before you even started singing. I would have had that.
It's blue.
See? I like that performance, but I really did. I saw your video a few days ago. I watched it before I did this. And it's a massive step up from there, 100%. This was a massive step up. And if you keep on stepping up, I'm seeing a huge amount of potential in you. I did notice, and this is not a critique, I did notice a few struggles with the vocals, and I really do put that down to you have so much passion that you push and give so much when you're singing, because you love this so much that it overwhelms you. How old are you, mate?
16.
16. You are the exact same age that I was when I started this, and that's exactly what I would do. I get so het up in the moment, I get so passionate, and eventually I'd be like, I wouldn't know what I was doing. What I did, first of all, I continued working with Joey in rehearsals. I worked on those nerves, if there is any, and also picking up on what Kelly said, really put in that fantastic, you know, old and goldy, you know, ways that you got about you, that traditional way that is dying, that I personally absolutely adore, and putting that spin onto modern songs, really making that really unique thing about you, making it modern, making it now, and suddenly people are going to really look at you and think, this guy is freaking great. And I'm already saying that. So I'm already a #1 fan. Let's just say that. Well done. Thank you.
Marcel, I know, like I said, I obviously we're here to help you and advise you. You don't have to take an advice. But the difference is between us and yourself is that we've been in this a long, long time. All right? We know what this industry wants. We know what it needs. And we are offering that advice to you for you to go as far as you can go. All right? That's why we do it for. I did say the other day, you know, and I thought maybe he'd come out tonight and you changed my mind, but 100% that was a way step back from last week. That was definitely not the right song. The girls did pick up a few little things too, so it's definitely not just me kind of thinking this sort of thing that it was perfect. It's a learning curve for all of us, right? We want you to be the best because you've got so much personality, you've got so much ability there, and I want you to be the best of what you can be. I'm not here to put you down or make you feel like crap. I want you to succeed, right? So when I'm offering advice, you don't have to take it, but this can be the result of it, and hopefully you'll be able to watch that back and see what I mean, because even though you was pushing on some of them notes, which was nice to see, it was nice to see you go for it more, they weren't perfect. Some of them were a little bit out, you know, and that's not me making it up, that's there to listen to, you know, it is on the video. So don't be frightened of our advice and that, because we're here to help. This industry, like, we all have our preference of what we like to listen to. I don't like singing opera, I despise opera. But if I go to a show that likes opera, I do it, because that's what's going to please them and that's what's going to get me paid. It's not about all about what I like, you know, it's about pleasing that audience and getting them on your side. So don't be frightened to go in with the time, you know, it's 2022, you can bring all this sort of classic golden oldies into now, you know, there is a way of doing that makes you sellable now, right? Because the only place I could put you with something like that now, and that's just about, at that point now, I would just about see you maybe doing a small pub gig, and that is at the borderline. That's where it's at now. You were better than that. You are so much better than that. I want you to know that because I believe in your talent. So don't be frightened to take advice, right? Well done for coming out here and showing us what you can do. But yeah, future preference, you know, just listen to the advice that's coming forward because we're here to help, all right? Round of applause for him, guys. Well done, Marcel. Well done, Lily. Apply now at www.musicwales.org.